Hello viewers, this is Fawad Kulachi. Welcome to this new video. Today we will learn how to convert PDF file into Word or Excel or any other format. For this purpose you need to download a software. The name of the software is Wondershare PDF. You can open the Google. You can search Wondershare PDF converting tool. It's free and it's very easy. Now you can see there is a link for the Wondershare PDF converter. You can download that software from here. After downloading the software, you have to install the software. After installing, please open the software. I have already installed the software. So this is the software interface, and guys, there you can see here's the option convert PDF and create PDF. So now I want to convert PDF file into Excel or Word. So then I will select this, and after this I have to add the file, PDF file. Now click the add PDF files. Search the sample file, I mean your PDF file. Mine is PDF file named as sample. Open. It is added. Okay guys. Now here you can see here is the output format. In the output format, you can select Excel, you can select Word, you can select PowerPoint, image, HTML, etc. Right? And I want to convert this PDF file into Excel, so I'll select the Excel, then I will select the Excel. Sorry. Please select Advanced Setting. Now I want to keep all the formatting same as it's in the PDF file, so I'll check this box, retain the values with the formatting, and combine all pages into a single Excel sheet. Now press OK. Now we have to convert. Please click the convert button. Now you can see the conversion has started. Now conversion finished. Okay, let's go to the results. What are the results? Click on that link. This is a sample that we have converted from PDF to Excel. Now we have to click on this. Here it is. Now guys, you can see it is converted in Excel format, and all the formatting and tables are the same as they are in the sample. Now let me show you the sample file. This is a sample file, PDF file. Now you can see it is same. The table is same, the formatting is same. There may be a little bit difference, but all the tables are same. So guys, this is a very good and easy software. You can use it. This is very easy software, and this is very helpful for those guys, those who are seeking freelancing PDF conversion jobs. They can use this software and convert PDF files to Excel or Word or any other format. So guys, if you think that this video helps you, then please please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.